Hi friends, welcome back to Joe Educare.
In this video, I have explained the problems on single phase transformer. Let's get into the video. Question is 600 kVA transformer has an efficiency of 92% at full load, unity power factor, and at half load 0.9 power factor, which is given in the question. They are telling to find efficiency at 75% of full load and 0.9 power factor. So we need to find efficiency at the condition is given 75% of full load. So X load is given as 75% of full load, convert to decimal, you'll get 0.75, and power factor is nothing but 0.9. So this is about the problem. They are telling to find out the efficiency at this condition. So this is the formula for efficiency. You need to find out for this condition. So when you substitute X is nothing but load, which is given 0.75, power factor is given as 0.9. So kVA is nothing but power rating of a transformer, which is given, that is 600. So now if I want to find the efficiency, iron loss and copper loss is unknown, which is what I need to find out. So iron loss and copper loss, if I find, I can easily find out the efficiency for the given condition. So now to find out iron loss and copper loss, I'm going to check the question once again. So here at the beginning of the question, they are given a transformer as an efficiency. So 600 kVA is nothing but power rating of a transformer. 600 is given as an efficiency of 92%. So something else is given here in the question. Efficiency is given as 92% at full load. So full load, unity power factor, and one more thing, they are given at half load 0.9 power factor. So the efficiency is same for the second condition also. So this is what they are given in the question, that transformer has an efficiency of 92% at full load, unity power factor, and at half load 0.9 power factor. So that is what I have written here. I need to find out this efficiency for this condition. I need to find iron loss and copper loss. To find iron loss and copper loss, I am going to use efficiency formula. Two condition is given in the question. So you know that in order to find two unknown variable, I need at least two minimum equations. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this condition, two conditions, which is given in the problem. By using this two condition in efficiency formula, I will get some equation. Using that equation, I'm going to solve, and I'm going to find out the value for iron loss and copper loss. So I'll explain you what to do. I will write down the efficiency formula first. So efficiency formula I have written. I'm going to use the first condition, which is given from the question. So by using the first condition, I'm going to find out one equation. So I'll explain you how to find an equation. Now efficiency is given as 92%. So when you substitute in this formula, you need to convert to decimal. So you have to divide by 100, you'll get 0.92. Full load is given. Full load is nothing but X, which is given as 1. Unity power factor value is given as 1. So this is the condition. I'll write down the condition. Power rating, that is kVA, which is given as 600 kVA. This will be constant throughout the problem. Now using this data, I will just find out an equation which has iron loss and copper loss. So I'll substitute everything. So after substituting all the values in this efficiency formula, 0.92, X will be 1 into kVA is nothing but 600. In the place of kVA, just substitute the value, power rating value, into 1000, which is there in the formula, into power factor is 1, divide by plus iron loss plus X is nothing but 1. So 1 square into copper loss. I'm going to find out equation for iron loss and copper loss, which will be in the left hand side. So I'll simplify and I'll find out one equation. So simplify step by step. So 0.92 in the left hand side. So numerator will get. So I'll cross multiply this. So when I cross multiply, this whole thing will go to left hand side, which is equal to 6 lakh in the numerator divided by 0.92, which is in the left hand side, will come to the denominator with the right side. So simplify this. So iron loss plus copper loss. So 6 lakh I will take it to right hand side. So when you simplify, you will get iron loss plus copper loss is equal to 52,173.91. So take it as equation number 1. In the same way, by using the second condition which is given in the question, by using this condition, I'm going to find out one more equation so that I can simplify and I can find out the value for iron loss and copper loss. Now I'm going to use second condition. So here efficiency is 92%, that will be 0.92. Half load, so X is equal to 0.5. Power factor is given as 0.9. So I'm going to find out a second equation by using efficiency formula, by using this condition. So I'll substitute everything in this formula and I will find out one more equation. So after substituting, you will get in the place of neta efficiency is 0.92, which is equal to x is 0.5 into kVA is nothing but power rating, which will be same throughout the problem, which is given as 600 in the question into 1000 into power factor is given as 0.9 for this case, divide by, in the same way substitute everything. So now simplify, you will get the answer as, so I will cross multiply this 0.92, I will get to right hand side in the denominator. So after simplification you will get the answer as, so now I will take this to right hand side, so you will get iron loss plus 0.25 copper loss in the left hand side, which is equal to 2,93,478.26 minus, this will come to right side. So when you simplify, you will get the answer as 23,478.26. the left side it will be iron loss plus 0.25 copper loss. So this will be your second equation. So now write down the first equation along with this. So first equation was iron loss plus copper loss is equal to, we got the answer as 52,173.91. So this was equation number 1. Now just simplify both the equations. After simplification you will get the answer for iron loss and copper loss as 13,913.04. The unit for losses are watts. The same way after simplification you will get the copper loss as 38,260.86. the unit is watts. So this is the way to find out iron loss and copper loss. So after finding iron loss and copper loss, we will find out the efficiency for this condition when load is 75% and power factor is 0.9, once again by using the efficiency formula. So write down the efficiency formula. I need to find out for this condition, as I told you. We'll just substitute everything. I have written the value for iron loss and copper loss which you have found out. I'll substitute all the values here. So load will be 0.75 into kVA will be 600 for this problem, into 1000 into power factor is 0.9. So that is what which is given in the question, divide by, same way I substitute everything in the denominator. Iron loss we have found out as 13,913.04 plus x square, so load is 0.75 square into copper loss is 38,260.86. So I'll simplify this, I'll get the answer as 0.9195. So you know that efficiency should be written in percentage, so I'll convert this to percentage by multiplying 100 to this value. So efficiency you will get after multiplying 91.95.
Bible verse to meditate on.
Check out other videos in my channel regarding Basic Electrical and Diploma Mathematics 1. Please support this channel by subscribing to Joe Educare and click on the bell button to get the notification regarding new videos. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.